to the Twisted Kitchen with Keto Simple. I'm Granny June, and today we'll be introducing you to some of the most scrumptious keto recipes available. So lean in close and pay attention, dear. Today we are going to be making smoky cauliflower bites. The ingredients you will need for this delicious dish are listed in the description, but as always, we are going to reveal them together. So we are going to need 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 3/4 teaspoon sea salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, a half a teaspoon of ground cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of ground turmeric, an 1/8 a teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 medium head of cauliflower broken into florets. Now put on your aprons and let's get started. First thing we're going to do is preheat our oven to 450 degrees. We're going to mix up the first 6 ingredients. We're going to add the cauliflower florets, and we're going to toss them just to coat them nice and even. Then we're going to transfer that to a 15 by 10 by 1 inch baking pan. But as always, use whatever you have under that sink. Now we're going to roast them till tender, about 15 to 20 minutes, and we're going to stir it halfway. Now before we continue, just a reminder to hit that good old subscribe button and notification bell for Granny. Now let's finish up. If you want to give these bites a little bit of smoky, spicy flavor, you can dip them in a little chipotle mayo. Or if you really want to add a little heat to it, how about a little sriracha or hot pepper sauce? But if smoky flavors is your thing, then I would suggest using a little Spanish-style smoked paprika. And that's it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. This recipe will be listed in the description along with the nutritional facts. And as always, keep those aprons ready.